All right, the third race that we're doing tonight is Justice of the Peace, Precinct 1, Place 1. The candidates in this race are Nico, Scott Costilla, and Judge Joanne Marie Prado. Let's begin with Nico. If you would please introduce yourself to our audience, and you have 1 minute.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nicholas Costilla. I was born and raised in San Marcos. I'm a proud graduate of San Marcos High School and Texas State University, earning my Bachelor's of Science in Criminal Justice with a minor in Sociology. Since 2014, I have been employed at the District Attorney's Office here in Hays County. I've held both administrative and supervisory roles. Currently, I am the Legal Assistant Supervisor for the Misdemeanor Division and have been in that position for the last 7 years.
Thank you.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joanne Prado, and I am your Justice of the Peace for Precinct 1, Place 1. I am seeking re-election to a 6th term. I am the incumbent in this race. I bring to the table, ladies and gentlemen, 20 years of experience sitting on the bench as judge, presiding over the many cases that have been filed with the court over the years with fairness and impartiality. I know the rules and the law as they apply to the court and how to apply them. My leadership and my experience has led me to an efficient, a productive, and a well-run office that has no backlog. I am a dedicated and proven leader for this community that is supported by not 20, but 40 years of dedication and commitment in service to Hays County. I hope to continue serving in the next 4 years and to continue to provide my leadership in moving the office of JP11 forward. Thank you.
Again, I'm going to ask 2 questions, and you will have 2 minutes to respond. We will go first in order with Mr. Costilla. The role of Justice of the Peace involves presiding over various types of cases. How do you plan to efficiently and fairly manage a diverse caseload to ensure timely and just resolutions?
Thank you. So coming from the District Attorney's Office, we deal with both misdemeanors and felonies in the office. Also with my experience in the office, I also handle the JP cases for all 5 precincts here in the county. I work one-on-one with the prosecutors that handle each one of those various courts. So I'm familiar with the processes of the JP court. And you know, I've managed a wide range of caseload there at the District Attorney's Office, from felonies all the way to Class Cs. And it's just making sure that you are making those timely decisions, that way you're not leaving people that are waiting on your decision out there and prolonging your ruling on their decisions. And so I plan to make those timely decisions in order to maintain the trust and confidence in this community.
Thank you.
Yes, if you could repeat that, please.
Sure. The role of Justice of the Peace involves presiding over various types of cases. How do you plan to efficiently and fairly manage a diverse caseload to ensure timely and just resolutions?
Well, I have been presiding over the court for 20 years. We have many cases that are filed and that have been filed in the court over the years. We have the civil cases, the small claim cases, death claim cases, administrative hearings. I also take care of the criminal docket. We hold a dog docket every once in a while. Also, I'm very rehearsed in the court trial and jury trial. And so we hold docket once a week, and then also an extra day because I've been getting quite a bit of evictions that have been filed. I rule timely. I basically, when someone comes before the court, I hand down my ruling immediately. So I think that I have done a good job at that, and I don't have any backlog in court. Thank you.
All right, for your second question, I'm going to go in reverse order, so Judge, you will be answering this first. Can you share a specific experience from your past that provided you with invaluable insights or skills, and explain how this will contribute to your effectiveness if you are, in your case, re-elected as a Justice of the Peace?
Yes, I can definitely relate to that question, and thank you, that's a very good question. I don't know if any of you know this, but I have 20 years of experience, I know I've already mentioned that, but prior to that, I served 20 years working in the district clerk's office, and that is where I gained my passion and my respect for the court. I worked alongside the district judges during my time with the district clerk's office. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I have 40 years of dedication and commitment to Hays County. And another thing, I am the longest employed person with Hays County at this time.
Thank you. Would you like me to repeat questions?
Please.
Can you share a specific experience from your past that provided you with invaluable insights or skills, and explain how this learning will contribute to your effectiveness if you are elected as a Justice of the Peace?
So, I'm not sure if most of y'all know, my grandmother served on the school board in San Marcos for 20 plus years. So a lot of that experience that I get from the dedication, the countless hours spent in positions, in elected positions, I got from her. And she really has inspired me to give back to the community, not just San Marcos, but Hays County as a whole. And that really does reflect in my public service work that I do. I'm involved on numerous boards and commissions within San Marcos and the county. And I really have dedicated myself to giving back to the community. And you know, I'm looking forward to continue serving, whether it's as the next Justice of the Peace Precinct 1, Place 1, or continuing my career with the District Attorney's Office, because I really do love what I'm doing there and the work that we do.
Thank you. Thank you, candidates. Again, this was for the race for Justice of the Peace, Precinct 1, Place 1. The next race is County Tax Assessor Collector. Will the candidates for this race please come to the dais?